$100 billion financial infusion into the Shiba Inu metaverse by JP Morgan. Despite a sharp decline and a negative reversal, Shibaverse meme currency has nevertheless increased by more than 40% this week. Shibaverse is now trading in a falling wedge formation, which is a classic setup for a possible bullish reversal from a technical analysis standpoint. We will discuss JP Morgan's $100 billion financial infusion into the Shiba Inu metaverse in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. The price of the Shiba Inu is displaying unsettling technicals that confuse the present negative on-chain metrics. In the next weeks, there might be a sweep the lows occurrence. Shiba Inu is now bidding at $0.00001214, while bulls are attempting to hold their position on intra-hour timeframes close to the $0.00001200 level. Investors saw the first alarming warning on October 26th, when the bears created a daily closing candle below the trend channel that was rising. Shib was hit with a peculiar situation when a large number of tokens that had been dormant suddenly reappeared on the market. The bulls attempted to retest the rising barrier 1 week later on October 4th, and they promptly collided with the 21-day simple moving average. In the end, the SMA denied the rising trend's re-entry close to the dollar zone, $0.00001300. After dropping over the last 2 days, the price of Shiba Inus is now stabilizing as investors brace for further losses. The September 15th low at $0.00000976 is the initial target for SHIB shorters if market circumstances are indeed negative. Summer's counter-trend rise might be completely erased if the bulls fail to intervene and provide support around the mid-September level. The price of a Shiba Inu would drop by 40% as a consequence of such a drop. The upward trend is necessary to validate the downtrend scenario. Otherwise, it serves as a rejective boundary for bulls in the countertrend. Although it is now $0.00001420 USD, the price might rise with time. The bulls might rise as high as $0.000180, or 40% more than the current SHIB price, if they are able to cross the rising limit. Shiba Inu is now trading at $0.00545. This week, it reached a high of $0.153 before plunging more than 68% below that level. With a current market valuation of $4.4 million, Shiba Inu may still have opportunity to increase in 2023, according to CoinMarketCap. Shibaverse is undoubtedly a volatile meme currency, as are many others. Shibaverse's price has dropped today, after being quite optimistic over the last week. Shibaverse is producing green candles inside of a wedge pattern that is dropping and has the ability to rise. If there is a successful breakthrough, the technical goal would yield more than 38% and carry us back over a crucial resistance level of $0.00594. Even while a falling wedge trading pattern doesn't always appear very attractive, it often leads to a breakthrough through the resistance trend line and may ultimately result in another pump or relief bounce. The price may chop around the $0.00497 support level if Shibaverse retests the $0.00594 resistance level and is rejected. We should see an accumulation if traders sense the potential in this specific support area, which will aid in pushing Shibaverse's price upward. The next objective would be a move high up to the top of the falling wedge at $0.00924 if Shibaverse could break out of the falling wedge formation and pass past the $0.00594 resistance mark. Shibaverse's price surged to $0.01529 USD on November 2nd. However, the long wick above the green candle indicated that there was significant selling activity at these levels. With its phenomenal rise during 2021, SHIB made history as one of the cryptocurrencies with the quickest rate of growth worldwide. But from its October high, it has dropped a staggering 86% as of right now. Although many investors think Shiba Inus are beyond their best, others are still holding out hope for a spectacular return. If there is a chance that the cryptocurrency may rise, it could be best to purchase the drop. Currently ranked 18th among cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has a market capitalization of around $6.5 billion. Despite the fact that the cards are stacked against it, it has survived. And it may reap big rewards if it receives more social media attention. There are several factors at work, thus there are no assurances about the long or even short-term expansion of Shiba Inus. However, if it does return, investing now might provide significant profits. Whether Shiba Inu is returning to the moon is a mystery to everyone. Even if it has improved recently, it still has a lot of work ahead of it to remain competitive. Although it won't be the best investment for everyone, being aware of its benefits and drawbacks will help you choose whether it's appropriate for you. The Bitcoin market improves its offerings annually by introducing fresh, user-friendly features. These characteristics include a decentralized system, global value regardless of nationality or place of birth, and most recently, the addition of play-to-earn features and the idea of the metaverse. All of these enhancements result in an improvement in the user's financial and emotional well-being. The ERC20 coin Shiba Inu powers the Shiba Inu ecosystem. SHIBASWAP is a decentralized exchange where users may profit from rewards and revenue by staking, swapping, or depositing Shib, Bone, and Leash tokens into liquidity pools. August 2020 saw the debut of the Shiba Inu token by its anonymous inventor, Ryoshi. There are no venture capital companies funding Shiba Inus. The only investors participating are individual and institutional ones. Shiba Inu built on Ethereum will not experience a hard fork or a soft fork in the event that Ethereum undergoes any substantial protocol modifications. As of right now, Layer 2 changes are not planned. The majority of meme coins are useless in some way. On the other hand, the Shiba Inu community has established an ecosystem of goods and services, including the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange, and coordinated a rescue campaign for the breed's puppies. Shib and other cryptocurrencies may be bought and sold by users of the P2P trading platform. Another method users may benefit from the ecosystem's development is by staking the 3 tokens utilized in it by putting them into a smart contract. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Crypto.com, with its headquarters in Singapore, is urging the Shiba Inu community to raise awareness of Bone Shiba Swap Bone listing. A random bone enthusiast with the pseudonym Bonshibarium tweeted to Crypto.com, requesting that the Singapore-based cryptocurrency site take into consideration listing Bone Shiba Swap. After listening to the Shiba Inu community, customer service from Crypto.com's official Twitter account replied, saying that if the Bone coin was included, everyone would be informed. For the most recent news and information, be sure to follow us on social media. With the much-awaited introduction of Shibarium drawing closer, the governance token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Bone Shiba Swap is definitely garnering a lot of popularity these days from centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Additionally, on the Shibarium Layer 2 solution, Bone will be employed as a native gas token. According to the most recent information provided by the Blockchain Services Provider Unifications Fund, Q4 is anticipated to see the launch of the Shibarium public beta testnet. 2 significant international cryptocurrency exchanges, Bitmart and Ilbank, have added support for Bone Shiba Swap in the last 2 weeks, and trade is now possible on these platforms. Based in Singapore, Crypto.com's daily trading volume ranks it among the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. In the last day, traders on Crypto.com have traded $394,279,760, or $394.27 million worth of digital assets. According to statistics given by CoinMarketCap.com, more than 50 million customers have been serviced by the quickest and safest cryptocurrency exchange in the world as of 2023, according to Wikipedia. Users of Crypto.com may take pleasure in instantaneous trading of over 200 pairings. 40 plus quarterly futures and perpetual contracts, including margins up to 10 times leverage. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.